Here's the tutorial on how to do the flash effect on CapCut and CapCut only. And please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And let's not make this intro long, so let's get started. So first step is to click overlay, then click add overlay, go to stock videos and click that plain white background. Now it looks like that the edit and the photo isn't there, but trust me, it's there. My CapCut was just really lagging at that time. Now zoom it in to fill the entire screen like this, and you click splice, go to overlay, and you can adjust the opacity to anything you want, but personally I recommend to make it 100. So now you just go to animation, then click out, then fade out. So then next you copy, and you just do the same thing for each one. So you have to make sure that the fade out is full, like till the end, because it would look much better if it's until the end like this. Okay, so now that's done, you export in 1080p and 60 fps, and then I'll show you the result. That is it, and thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!